How to remove minimum age restrictions on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove minimum age restriction on Instagram so everyone can see your content regardless of the age or location. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you're here, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner to open the menu. But first, make sure that you have switched your personal account to professional or creator account because you need a professional account to access minimum age settings. Now, once you are here, simply scroll down and here under for professional section you can see option label as created tools and controls, so simply tap on that. And now in this new section simply scroll down and tap on option labeled as minimum age. Now here if you see a default minimum age set, simply tap on it, and after that you can simply add the age as you wish. And if you want to remove it, you can simply tap on remove to delete an existing age restriction. And that's it. Now you know how to remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.